In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on any photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Gallery, tap on the photos and hit Add at the top right corner. If you still are struggling to find them, tap on Gallery, select Folders and look for your photos in one of those apps by tapping on Images at the top or selecting those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those options. Then hold one of your photos and hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!